Hey there fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel, where we're all about promoting a healthy and pain-free lifestyle. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: exercises for back pain relief. If you've ever experienced that nagging discomfort in your back, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into some effective exercises that can help alleviate your back pain and improve your overall well-being. But before we get started, remember to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing conditions or concerns. Now, let's jump right into it. The first exercise we'll cover is one that targets the lower back and is perfect for those who spend long hours sitting or have a sedentary lifestyle. It's called the cat-camel stretch. Start by positioning yourself on all fours, with your hands beneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Now, arch your back upwards, tucking your chin towards your chest, just like a stretching cat. Hold this position for a few seconds and then slowly reverse the movement, dropping your belly towards the ground and lifting your head up like a camel. Repeat this motion for about 8 to 10 times, ensuring a smooth and controlled movement. Next up, we have an exercise that focuses on strengthening the core muscles and promoting better posture. It's called the bird dog exercise. Begin by getting down on all fours, just like in the previous exercise. Now, extend your right arm forward and your left leg backward, keeping them parallel to the ground. Engage your core muscles and hold this position for a few seconds, making sure to keep your hips stable and your back straight. Then, bring your elbow and knee towards each other beneath your body and extend them out again. Repeat this movement on the opposite side. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions on each side, gradually increasing the duration as you get more comfortable with the exercise. Moving on, we have another exercise that targets the muscles in your back and promotes better spinal alignment. It's called the Superman exercise. Lie face down on a mat or a comfortable surface, with your arms extended in front of you. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, engaging your back muscles. Keep your gaze downwards to maintain proper neck alignment. Hold this position for a few seconds, feeling the contraction in your lower back, and then slowly lower back down. Repeat this movement for 8 to 10 repetitions, focusing on controlled and deliberate movements. Finally, let's wrap up with a gentle stretching exercise that targets your entire back and promotes flexibility. It's called the child's pose. Start by kneeling on the floor, sitting back on your heels. Then, slowly lower your upper body forward, extending your arms in front of you and allowing your forehead to rest on the ground. You should feel a gentle stretch in your lower back and along the length of your spine. Take deep breaths and relax into this pose for about 30 seconds to a minute. It's a great way to release tension and relax your back muscles. And there you have it, folks. A variety of exercises and stretches to help alleviate back pain and improve your overall back health. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and modify these exercises if needed. If you experience any discomfort or pain, please consult with a healthcare professional before continuing. Incorporate these exercises into your routine consistently, and over time, you'll notice a positive difference in your back health. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Stay fit, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.